I've been learning English for 3 years. Although it's raining, I still want to go for a walk. If I had more time, I would travel the world. Can you tell me how to get to the nearest train station? I'm planning to study abroad next year. She doesn't like coffee, whereas I drink it every day. My brother is taller than I am. I used to play basketball when I was in high school. I'm interested in learning more about different cultures. It seems like we might get some snow tonight. I'm reading a book about the history of art. Could you please speak a little slower? I prefer tea to coffee in the mornings. I'm quite good at playing the guitar. We're thinking of moving to a bigger city. I've never seen such a beautiful sunset before. My sister is considering studying biology. I'll have finished my project by next Friday. It's important to exercise regularly. Despite the cold weather, they went hiking. I was wondering if you could help me with this. Our teacher explained the lesson very clearly. I've been feeling a bit under the weather lately. As soon as I get home, I'll call you. It's more expensive than I thought it would be. The movie was so sad that I almost cried. I'll let you know as soon as I have any news. He's the kind of person who always makes you smile. I'm trying to eat healthier foods these days. Could you give me a hand with this? She's much more experienced in this field than I am. I usually go to bed at around 11 p.m. This book is not as interesting as the last one I read. Have you ever been to a live concert? We need to save money for our holiday. My parents have been married for 20 years. I'm looking forward to the weekend. I can't understand why he reacted that way. They've just announced a new product launch. My favorite part of the day is the evening. I'm trying to learn how to cook Italian food. I often listen to music while I work. He's been working here longer than anyone else. Are you planning to join the gym? This is the best coffee I've ever had. I have a meeting scheduled for tomorrow morning. We were surprised by the test results. It's less crowded here than I expected. She speaks 3 languages fluently. They're renovating their house this summer.